We are joined at this moment by Mr. Ray Locker. He's joining us live from Washington, D.C. He's a senior journalist, an author, and also a columnist. Mr. Locker, this is a ruling that a lot of people are looking at as a check on the use of presidential executive powers by the president. In your assessment, how much of a setback is this for Donald Trump?
Well, I think it's a major setback. It's not unexpected. I mean, I think most people, when they heard the court's arguments in November, thought that this was coming. It's interesting to note that this decision was written by Chief Justice John Roberts. He probably took a lot of time to assemble a 6-3 majority to do this. So I think it's a big deal. I don't think Trump has many options. He can do, some of the things that you mentioned earlier under sections 232 and 301, but those would be limited. He could go to Congress, but Congress hasn't shown much of an appetite to pass tariffs like this because, as the court noted, tariffs are a tax, and those taxes have been paid by U.S. consumers, not by foreign countries. So I think this is a very significant loss for him.
Right.
The future remains unclear.
Right. The future is indeed very unclear because Donald Trump has said that his tariffs are so important and so monumental that he has said that if these tariffs are overturned, then that will devastate the American economy and with that, the global economy. With that being the case, Donald Trump has also said that he'll find different ways to continue imposing the tariffs as he has done since the beginning of this presidency this time around. In your assessment, how do you see Trump now approaching this? Is he now going to just say, use a different clause in the law that is given to him so that he can continue with the tariffs? Or do you think the Congress can be a little bit more assertive to try to keep a check on the American president?
Well, I think Congress will be more assertive because this is not the first loss that Trump has had in the last few months. I mean, Democrats are winning special elections all around the country in places, where they haven't won elections in a long time. Trump's poll standings are down in the upper 30s, low 40s, and continuing to get worse. So he doesn't have a lot of political capital to use right now. And look, these tariffs have been an economic loser. We just saw economic growth statistics for 2025 come out this morning, 2.2% for the year, 1.4% for the last quarter. Those aren't good numbers, and tariffs have been a big part of that.
Interesting. Thank you very much, Mr. Ray Locker, for joining us and getting us that perspective.